Hi guys, Niecy Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be learning to put thread on a bobbin. Now when I say add thread to a bobbin, I'm saying put thread on or adding more thread to an empty bobbin. So this is what we're going to accomplish today. Now I do have my spool thread here. Bobbin, I have the metal bobbin. So we're going to use this guide, 1, 2, and 3 for winding the bobbin. So let's put our thread here, and we're going to take our thread and we're going to wrap it around this circular piece here. So we'll wrap it exactly as shown. So it looks like it's going around here, like that. And the next thing we're going to do is take our bobbin and we're going to come from here. So watch what I do. I'm going to make it closer so you can see. I'm going to take my thread and insert it, turn it this way. I'm going to insert it right here. Okay. See that? And you see that it is wound like that. So it's not attached in any part to the bottom one. It's only attached through the top one. Okay. So we put that on here. I'm going to click. I'm going to hold this in my hand and I'm going to cut the machine on. I'm going to click to lock the needle intact. Once I've sewn it for a while, I'm going to cut it. I'm at a steady pace. I'm not going too fast. Once you see that it's starting to not wind anymore, it's getting slower, you know that it is ready. So I'll take my scissors and I'm going to detach. Now let's evaluate the bobbin. If we look at it, you see that the thread is very smooth and even. This is a correctly wound bobbin. If you see a lot of loops or it's not as smooth as this, then you need to retry because it will make your stitch, you will have problems with sewing. All right, thank you for watching this tutorial of how to add thread to a bobbin of the Brother XL5340 sewing machine. Leave us comments, like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to our page, as well as let us know how we're doing, and happy sewing.